I got some Smithfield ribs here. We're gonna pull them out of the package and pull this membrane off. Let me get this membrane off and we'll go ahead and come back with you when I start seasoning them. Thanks, guys. I do sugar-free ribs most of the time. Get into this maybe a little bit later, but let me show you these ribs. We got the membrane pulled off of them, and you know, one of the easiest ways to tell whether or not you got ribs that have the membrane pulled off already is if you look here, you can kind of see where the bone runs and where the meat runs. You got the bone, you got the meat, and you can kind of see the meat a whole lot easier now, you know, with the membrane being pulled off. That's kind of an easy way to tell. You know, once you've been doing this for a little while, you can immediately know, but it's more opaque through here when they are, you know, fresh out of the pack with a membrane. But sometimes you get them and they don't have a membrane. You know, you don't want to sit out here and try to pull an invisible membrane, so just want to throw that in there for you. Just a light coat, because we're going to come back with some other stuff. We got them flipped, and we'll get some more seasoning on them here. This rub is something I came up with. I had a base rub, and since going to the keto world, I kind of have to come up with solutions for, you know, everyday foods that I like to eat, and barbecue. It's kind of a staple. I'm back. Cooker's fired up. Let's go ahead and throw these ribs on here, guys. So we've got the ribs tossed on the cooker this morning. One of the things that I like to do is I like to kind of push them together. Everything I do, I cook. I use as kind of a competition cook for me. So just kind of get them on here. These were some pretty straight bones. Just kind of squish them together. You know, you can kind of see, you know, when you pull them back out, they're longer. But if you kind of just compact them here, and that, you know, that gives you the ridges. You can kind of see the ridges through here. That gives you, you know, a big meatier bite. What's up, guys? We're out here taking on a little bit of rain. We're gonna wrap these ribs up and throw them back on into the smoke. Started raining. It was absolutely pouring when I pulled the ribs out of the wrap. We're going back in to see what they look like when we set the sauce. Ready? Not bad. We're pretty excited. I'm fixing to pull them off and cut into them. Check out that smoke ring, guys. That's a beautiful smoke ring. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks. This is Wes with Backyard Smokers. Just wanted to pop on here and tell you thank you. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you for hitting the little subscribe button. Thank you for the thumbs up. And let you know, we need you to do something for us. Go ahead and go down in the comments section. Let us know what you thought of this video. Let us know what you'd like to see on the pit next. And as always, keep those fires burning and the smoke rolling blue. Thanks, guys. See you next time.